Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could.
The good things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. Yeah, you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times.
And I guess I never told you
I'm so happy that you're mine. If I made you feel second best, I'm so sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.